Hi, my wealthy people. This is Andres, and welcome to my YouTube channel called The Path to Wealth. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and leave a comment to show some love. A little bit of background about me. I'm currently serving in the military, and I created this channel to share my financial journey with you. I will be uploading at least 2 videos a week, so don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified every time I upload the video. Hello, my fellow investors. Another investing week is over and the market is still crashing, and I think it will crash more next week. So be ready to see more red for the upcoming weeks. But I'm here today to give you my weekly update. For you guys who are new to my channel and watching my videos, welcome to my money maker. This is my dividend investing portfolio. Before I start going through my slice of my pie, I'm just gonna let you guys know that on March 16, I deposited $200 for this week. So, alright, as you guys can see, it's all red all the way at the bottom. Okay, but we'll start with my tech slice. Now for my tech, for this week, Apple, I lost $14.93, which is down 17.26%. Cisco, I lost $3.27, which is down 5.01%. International business, I lost $7.05, which is 10.87%. Nvidia, I lost $9.15, which is 13.95%. Microsoft, I lost $8.68, which is down 13.28%. Intel, I lost $6.90, which is 15.62%. Qualcomm, I lost $8.46, which is down 19.33%. As you guys can see, tech did bad for this week. My biggest loss is from Qualcomm, which is down 19.33%. Dollar-wise, I lost the most from Apple, which is $14.93. But I bought 3 shares of Apple from my Robinhood account. Alright, overall, my tech lost $58.44 for this week. No earned dividends. The return is down 13.42%. It's sad that I'm gonna say that I'm expecting more red next week. So I won't be surprised if next week will be worse than this week. Alright, let's go to my consumer defensive slice. Consumer defensive, Costco, I lost $3.95, which is down 3.79%. This doesn't look bad, maybe because people are going to Costco, killing all their toilet papers. I don't know. Procter & Gamble, I lost $8.36, which is 10.20%. PepsiCo, I lost $15.95, which is down 18.32%. Coca-Cola, I lost $17.54, which is a whopping loss of 20.54%. Walmart, wow, this is really surprising. Maybe this is the only green stocks that I have this week, but Walmart, again, 31 cents, which is up 0.50%. As you guys can see, my biggest loss is from Coca-Cola, which is 20.54%. And dollar-wise, I lost $17.54. But for Coca-Cola, I've been buying stocks in my Robinhood account. For my consumer defensive slice for this week, I lost $45.49. I got 30 cents dividends. I'm down 10.81%. It doesn't look as bad as tech, but like I said, I expect them to go down again next week. Now let's go to my industrial slice. Waste management, I lost $5.30, which is down 6.12%. Caterpillar, I lost $3.43, which is 4.05%. 3M, I lost $9.89, which is 11.76%. Lockheed Martin, I lost $6.97, which is 10.84%. United Technologies, I lost $13.68, which is 21.29%. Delta Airlines, I lost $20.09, which is a whopping loss of 44.18%. I'm not surprised because Delta has been canceling all the flights. But good thing though, take advantage of this because I feel like they're gonna go down more. Right now, I believe they're $21 a share. I'm definitely buying more Delta because, you know, it may go up. So this is my biggest loss, $20.09 and 44.18%. So for this week, for my industrial slice, I lost $59.36. No earned dividends for this week. I'm down 13.83%, which is as bad as my tech. I do wish Delta goes down more this next few weeks so that I can buy more. My biggest loser so far is Delta and my industrial slice. So no dividend slice. We'll save that for the end. Now let's go to my finance slice. Visa, I lost $11.09, which is 16.49%. JP Morgan and Chase, I lost $11.52, which is 19.37%. American Express, I lost $14.70, which is a whopping loss of 25.10%. Wells Fargo, I lost $7.14, which is 14.20%. Bank of America, I lost $8.08, which is 18.20%. Royal Bank of Canada, I lost $5.47, which is 14.73%. My biggest losser is American Express, which is 14.70%, which is now 25.10%. Visa though, I hope they go down more because I want to buy more shares of Visa. So overall for my finance this week, I lost $58. No earned dividends, I'm down a whopping 18.29%, which is my biggest loss so far for this week. Alright, let's go to my healthcare slice. Johnson & Johnson, I lost $15.83, which is 10.66%. Vanguard Healthcare ETF, I lost $11.95, which is 13.13%. AbbVie, I lost $11.55, which is a whopping loss of 19.34%. For AbbVie, I wish them to go down more because I want to buy more shares of AbbVie. Dividend per share for AbbVie is more than $1 right now, so I'm trying to get more shares so that I can get more dividends. My overall for this week from my healthcare slice, I lost $39.33. No earned dividends, I lost a 13.14%. Before I go to my favorite slice of my pie, the real estate, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to make this as my third stream of income, so help me grow my channel, and also hit that notification bell. I upload at least 2 videos a week, and of course follow my M1 finance journey. Follow me to my path to wealth. Now onto my favorite slice of my pie, the real estate pie. Stag, I lost $5.86, which is 9.10%. Welltower, I lost 9.75%, which is 15.19%. Realty Income, I lost $27.11, which is 33.96%. Vanguard Real Estate, I lost $15.03, which is 24.49%. iStar, I lost $21.44, which is a whopping loss of 44.82%. For this week, from my real estate slice, I lost $79.19. No earned dividends, I lost a whopping 24.94%. Yes, as of now, real estate is my biggest loss so far. Now let's go to my consumer cyclical. Disney, I lost $13.05, which is down 15.75%. So yeah, I'm losing a lot of money from my Disney, and they are my biggest share from my Robinhood account. McDonald's, I lost $10.78, which is 15.55%. Home Depot, I lost $14.50, which is down 25.48%. Starbucks, I lost $7, which is 16.42%. General Motors, I lost $7.28, which is a whopping loss of 25.77%. General Motors is my biggest losser from my consumer cyclical. So for this week, overall consumer cyclical, I lost $52.61. No earned dividends, my return is down 18.79%. Now let's go to my communication slice. Verizon Communication, I lost $1.90, which is 4.20%. AT&T, I lost $7.98, which is 17.32%. AT&T, I hope it keeps going down so that I can get more shares. At the moment, I have 75 shares in my Robinhood account. NetEase Incorporated, I lost $3.12, which is down 10.33%. Activation Blizzard, I lost 3.46%, which is 11.51%. As you guys can see, AT&T is my biggest loser for this week, which is 17.32%. So overall, from my communication, I lost $16.46. No earned dividends for this week. My return is down 10.86%. It's not too bad. Energy and utilities. ExxonMobil, I lost $4.17, which is 13.58%. Nextra Energy, I lost $4, which is 13.27%. Vanguard Utilities, I lost $4.09, which is 16.46%. Chevron Corporation, I lost $9.06, which is a whopping loss of 28.59%. From this, I keep buying ExxonMobil from my Robinhood. Hopefully, Nextra will go down so that I can actually buy this stock in my Robinhood account. Overall, for this week, energy/utilities lost $22.20. No earned dividends for this week. I lost 18.09%. So among all my dividend slices, real estate is my biggest loser, which is 24.94%. And the best one so far, the one who lost the least, is my consumer defensive, which is 10.81%. Now let's go to my no dividend slice. For this week, Amazon gained $1.95, which is 3.42%. Wow, this is the second stock that actually green for this week, which is pretty amazing, despite of what's going on right now. Google, I lost $5.28, which is 12.04%. Google, I lost $5.30, which is 12.08%. Netflix, I lost 29 cents, which is down 1.02%. It's not bad loss, maybe because everybody's staying home right now and all they're doing is Netflix and chilling and maybe more. T-Mobile, I lost $3.81, which is 12.70%. Facebook, I lost $3.52, which is 12.05%. Tesla, I lost $7, which is down 21.79%. Space, Virgin Galactic Holdings, I lost $5.39, which is 23.56%. And these two are my newest addition for this week. Alibaba, which is my third green for this week, I gained 5 cents, which is up 0.40%. Berkshire Hathaway, I lost 61 cents, which is down 4.88%. I added this because I trust Warren Buffett. So hopefully these two new additions will perform well. For my no dividend slice, I lost $29.20, which is down 9.53%. So I did not lose that bad compared to the other slice from my no dividend. So for this week, my moneymaker lost $460.28. I earned 30 cents dividends. It's still good. It's still good, you know. My return is down 14.94%. My total right now is 2,666.92 cents. This may get worse this following weeks, maybe months, but we shall see. So that's it for this week. I'll see you guys again. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.